Let's talk about the latest launched ITEL smartphone A95 5G with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole, dynamic bar display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 260 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Panda Glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.6. Along with AI camera and LED flash. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole wide angle. Front-facing camera with LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ITEL OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 6nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4GB, 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4GB, 6GB of extended RAM, and 128GB of UFS 2.2. Onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166 by 77 by 7.8 mm, and it weighs around 188 grams, and the color options: shadow black, Carx titanium, wave green colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with monospeakers DTS sound support, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, ITEL AI personal assistant Ask Ivana, and infrared remote control support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL A95 5G has been priced for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 9,599 Indian rupees, while 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ITEL A95 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.